Has a big bird crashed into your Land Rover? Don't worry, I'll fix it. Using this sticky cold glue, I'll bring up the bulk of the damage. Quick clean and then I'll hit it with a hot glue. Several glue tabs of all shapes and sizes are stuck to the panel and then pulled up with a mini lifter. This process is repeated several times. Now for some tapping down and one last round of glue pulling. Nearly there, just needs some fine tuning. Using these holes at the top of the panel, I can poke a bar through and lift up these micro lows. Then tap down any micro highs. Almost there. Quick polish to finish and job done. Nasty dent removed and one very happy customer.